Welcome back, first timers. But if you're new here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
In this episode, we got a spot at one of the most popular state parks in all of Florida.
We're at Grayton Beach State Park.
Right outside of Grayton Beach, Florida. This place is amazing, and I can't even say it's a hidden gem because everybody knows about it. It's just really, really difficult to get a spot. It's a prime location, right on the water. Why don't we just show you around?
Let's go. We're in spot 46. It's pretty wide. You've got a nice foliage view. You've got a fire pit, picnic table, all the good stuff. There's no one behind us, and there's trees in between each spot, so you have a little bit of privacy. It has 30 and 50 amp power, and also water and sewer. However, the sewer is kind of far away, so you might have difficulty if you don't have a long hose.
That's what she said.
So there are 60 campsites here. We also have primitive camping and cabins, but the cabins are about a mile away from here. You can make fire here. They do sell firewood and ice.
They also have a junior ranger program for the kids, and it's one of the few places in Florida where you can walk on the dunes, but only in the designated path. Another thing to be aware of, the road here is pretty narrow, and there are bushes and trees right up to the road. So just be careful, take your time, go slow. The road is a little bit tighter than we've seen in the past. In the middle of each one of the loops, there's a bathhouse with shower and laundry. The loop with the sites 1 through 39 is gravel, and there are a few little potholes here and there, so not a big deal unless there's rain, which we get a lot of that all the time. If anybody lost their sunglasses, comment below. They're Oakleys. They look nice. If those are your Oakleys, we're gonna leave them at the front desk of the park when we leave.
The paths are maintained, but just be bear aware and alligator aware. They also rent out paddleboards and kayaks.
So right behind me is Western Lake. The trees back there is kind of the iconic, picturesque view of Grayton Beach, where you'll see it on artwork. It's one of the many things that this place is known for. They have a nice little 1 mile hiking path where you can hike on the dunes. It's pretty nice. You get a great view of the water and the lake from here.
Just a nice little stroll.
still working up the hill, but it is deafeningly quiet here. Didn't realize how quiet it is until all you hear is ringing in your ears. It's crazy quiet. I don't even feel like I should be talking. I probably shouldn't be talking. Nobody else around here. You have this whole place to yourself. We have this whole place to ourselves. Stinging marine life. Watch out. I know that was a pretty fast one, but what the state park lacks in size, it makes up in pure tranquility and ambiance. This is probably the most calm state park, RV park that we've been to. It just kind of gets you on a whole nother level of relaxation. If you like this video, you can check out this one here where we stayed at Henderson State Park, or you can check out this one right here, where we went out to St. Andrew State Park in Panama City Beach. But I think for us, Terry's got the bikini on. We're ready to just get in the water and relax today.
It's beach time.
Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.